Welcome. If you're tired of those animated stickers popping up in your Discord chats and want a smoother, distraction-free experience on your mobile device, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to completely disable sticker animations in Discord Mobile. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. Look down at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it to open up your user settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Accessibility. This is where you can adjust a range of features to make Discord work better for you. Tap on Accessibility to open it up. Now, keep scrolling until you reach the Stickers section. Here, you'll see an option that controls how stickers behave in your chats. By default, Discord might have sticker animations set to play automatically, which can be distracting or even slow down your device. To turn off these animations completely, look for the option that says Animate Stickers. Under this setting, you'll see a few choices. Select Never Animate. This will stop all sticker animations from playing, making your Discord experience cleaner and easier on your eyes. That's it. You've now disabled sticker animations on Discord Mobile. From now on, stickers will appear as static images, and you won't have to worry about any unexpected movement in your chats. If you ever want to turn sticker animations back on, just follow these same steps and choose a different option under the Animate Stickers setting. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy Discord tips. Have a great day and enjoy your new, distraction-free Discord experience.